Welcome, in front of me is a LG Velvet, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. Now to get started, we need to pull down the notification panel and find a toggle, which for me is located on the second page right over here. And I believe by default that's where it's located, so you can find it. And once you do, hold the toggle and it will take us to the settings where we can customize the Do Not Disturb mode. So, number one, we have the schedule options. We can add a schedule and we can do a weekly, which allows us to set each day of the week that it will be working in and also the start and end time of it. So set it up as however you like. Once you're done, simply tap on save and it will automatically become enabled. And if it's also in the time period of it that it needs to be enabled, it will automatically turn on the Do Not Disturb mode. For me right now it's not in that time range. As you can see, it's set to start at 10 p.m. and then at 7 a.m. and right now it's 1 p.m. So you'll see it's off. And apart from that, we also have the select priorities. So from here we can customize, like I said, how it works. And number one, we have calls, and when you tap on it, it gives you a window with a couple options. We have allow calls from no one, everyone, contacts, or favorites. You can choose whichever one you want, it's completely up to you. With the calls, we also have additional option. And as an example, if you choose no one, that for instance, no one should be able to reach you, you still have the option for repeated callers. If you enable this and someone calls you twice within a 15-minute period, they will be able to reach you even though they should not, based on the first option. So it's a good option to have in terms of emergencies. And apart from that, below that we have messages, and again they have the same options as calls, minus the repeated callers. So again, choose whichever one you want and simply go back. And then we also have use Do Not Disturb, so this is just a enabling, and we also have the mode, priority, or total silence, so you can choose by default which one it is. Now I advise you to go with the priority because that's the one that we have control over. Total silence just gives you what it says, total silence, and you don't really have control over that the same way as you do with the priority. So that is how you would set it up, and like I said, you can enable it either from there by switching it on or through just tapping on the toggle like so. Now keep in mind that if you enable it manually and you don't have a schedule, you will have to also disable it manually, otherwise it will stay on until you turn it off. So that is how you would set up the Do Not Disturb mode and enable it. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.